What is good, ladies and gents? Welcome back to another video. Today we're checking out the GMX token. I've never heard of this one myself, but we're going to do a bit of research. Is it a good token to be stacking up on over the next few years? We can see it's pumping up 7% today. It's rank 80, so it's now a top 100 coin, so it's certainly worth looking at as it's gaining momentum during the crypto winter. We can see circulating supply over here of 8 million tokens, so it's not a humongous supply, which is also good. And that's what we're going to look at today. So the last 24 hours has been rather bullish, pumping from the low of $40 up to this $45 price range. And looking at the last 3 months, it has been sort of chopping sideways, seeing lows as low as $27. Now, when we look at the all-time for this particular bad boy, we can see the token's only really been listed since like sort of September, October 2021. So it's only about a year in existence and I've never heard of it before. So let's do a little bit of a research and a deep sea dive as to what this is. So immediately on the website, it says decentralized perpetual exchange, where you can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Avalanche, and other top cryptocurrencies with up to 50x leverage. So it just looks like another exchange. And of course, at the moment, it only makes sense to be skeptical following the FTX crash and things like that. But yeah, it's really, really cool to see. You can reduce liquidation risks. I've heard that one before. Save on costs. I've heard that one before too. And simple swap. So far, it's nothing out of this world. It's nothing that really makes this token stand out versus other perpetual exchanges. And I don't really know what the whole protocol has to offer either, so it looks kind of cool. I haven't actually seen the exchange either. You can see there's some governance and voting as well, and let's launch the app just to actually get a little look at as to what this particular platform looks like. What is the user interface like? So it just looks like a very normal trading platform. You've got long, short positions here. You got your swapping almost like on a DEX, like pancake swap over here as well. And you can see your entry prices on your longs and shorts, etc. too. You get some different time frames, which are rather nice. And here is the ecosystem. Here is the dashboard. So we might as well look at those as well. There's your GMX pages along the ecosystem side of things, so it's quite insightful for all the information that you want to look at in terms of all the different dashboards. And here is the ecosystem as well, so you can see everything about the GMX token, looking at the price, the supply, the total amount staked, the market cap at present, the stable coin percentage. So it's nice and transparent, which is a good thing as well, in my honest opinion. And then looking at the Twitter, 84,000 followers, so it's quite a fresh perpetual exchange by the looks of it. Joined Feb 2021. We can see no real major announcements at the moment. They've got a new partnership. Camelot DEX, GMX USDC pool is now live, so that's pretty good as well for the ecosystem. I think it's pretty cool to see them trying to grow in a bear market. So price-wise, what's going on? Oh, by the way, guys, if you're new to the channel, do slap the subscribe button. $1,000 winner will be announced tomorrow. It could be one of you, so slap that subscribe button if you want to enter. And also get yourself down into the Discord channel down below where all the 10x pre-sales are happening and where you can learn how to trade, unlock signals, and just join a thriving and ever-growing community in the crypto space. So let's check it out. What's going on with the price analysis? You can see here, this dates back to October 2022, where they are now on the Binance exchange in terms of the pricing. So there's liquidity across that particular exchange now. We can see we're actually starting to form a sort of textbook rising wedge here, which is typically a bearish reversal pattern. So we're touching down on the 20-day moving average, and we did get a nice bounce off of that particular support. As we can see, it does bounce off, and it's a 9% bounce right there, but we are starting to see a lot of resistance along this particular trend line here. Got a touch there, we almost got a touch up here. So $50 is really a big resistance for the GMX token at the moment, and we can see we were in an oversold position on the RSI just a few weeks ago when we had the FTX crash. So this would have been a really nice sort of entry. If you got in at $25, it'd be up 77% at the moment on your particular trade. Looking at the 4 hours, we can see quite a lot of selling pressure again around the $48 level, which does kind of marry up with this resistance right here. So we are trying to retarget the $48 in my opinion. That's going to be the first hurdle before potentially retesting $51. But because a rising wedge is typically a bearish reversal pattern, there's a good chance we're going to see the price come down and retest maybe $43 or something like that, because we have done our swing high now. The Bollinger Band suggests that we were overextended, and we can see the volume is slowly dropping off on this 4-hour time frame. So there's another bearish sort of factor to consider. I think we need to wait for a bit of support. We need to see if we can find a support level here. I would expect another bounce at least on $44, $40, or even $37 if we lose macro support here on this rising wedge. But of course, the most bullish scenario is in the future. And what can we see for this token? Because it's only got a market cap of 350 million. If we look at the market cap history, very strange because the way it's listed here, but we can see 400 million did happen once upon a time. So $350 million market cap. You could easily see GMX become, you know, 1 billion, 2 billion, $3 billion market cap at some point in the future. Though my opinion is that I think it's very high risk at the moment to be getting involved in these sort of trades. So I would probably look at it, consider it, think about it, research it. If you're bullish on it, get into it. But in my opinion, I'm going to steer clear. What else can you do in this crypto winter if you want to expose yourself to high value opportunities? Well, there are 4 pre-sales down below that are live. Dash to Trade is one I'm most bullish on. This is a really cool trading analytics platform, a dashboard which will help you snipe all high value opportunities in the crypto markets, basically market cycles, pre-sales. It's going to show you so many other cool things, watch lists, what's hot, what's cold in the market. So check Dash to Trade out down below. I do hold $17,000 worth for this one. We've also got the Calvaria pre-sale. This thing is going to fly to the moon, I swear. This one is really looking hot. $3 million market cap, guys, and the increments in each pre-sale stage are really spread. So if you get in early enough, you've got upside potential. And moderators said that this launches at 6 cents already. Remember, nothing I say is financial advice, but this could be a really good one to get your hands on. A metaverse play to earn crypto. So check out the link for Calvaria down below as well. I want you guys to potentially make money. It will help me grow and make money so we can all grow and make money together. And the other one I really like is IMPT. So I know I am professionally shitting like a villain, but this is what I want to do, expose you guys to some cool projects. Of course, nothing I say is financial advice, of course, and never ever put too much money into pre-sales or an amount that you cannot afford to lose. So yes, there's 3 really juicy ones. Do some research, click down below on each one and see what you think. See if you like them. You know, I really think this one's got some massive long-term growth potential. It's going to launch with a higher market cap, so the 10x potential is less likely than Dash to Trade launching at a 13.4 million and Calvaria at a 3 million market cap. But you know, lots to be bullish on, all very different ecosystems tokenomically as well, and I just think super exciting. GMX, of course, really cool too, but with the uncertainty around exchanges at the moment, I think it's best to kind of hold off, but it's worth looking at. I mean, for 2025, could still see a 5 to 10x, but if you want those gains sooner, then who knows. You can see this one here actually says super high borrowing fees and low liquidity in trading pools. I'm bearish on this scam, so it's always good to do research and see what people are saying on Reddit, Telegram, and Discord too, as we don't honestly know what the truth is. But if I see something in the top 100, in my opinion, that's something worth your while looking at, researching. Of course, even top 500 coins are too. We'll see those also pump in the future. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye for now. Please like and subscribe. See you soon.